Hi, I'm Jan, Program Manager Americas for Riedel's Managed Technology Division. We're here at the Riedel booth, and I'm going to talk about RefCam. The RefCam is a miniature POV camera that consists of two units. The head unit that sits on the otoplastic of the person, and the transmitting unit that transmits a live signal over 5G. But besides the transmitting unit, we also have a recording unit of the RefCam that can be used for various applications. For live sports, the transmitting unit is usually used and submits a stabilized signal within milliseconds. The recording unit, for instance, can be used for training purposes. So whenever a live signal is not needed, or you just want to record an action, you can use the recording version of the RefCam. It's a little bit lighter, but both units work for over plus 2 hours of runtime. The unique thing about our solution is that we have an ultra lightweight camera that immediately submits a live stabilized signal that can be used for broadcast purposes with ultra long battery lifetime that immediately suits the needs of broadcasters. So besides using the RefCam in various soccer applications, there are multiple requests that we currently have from different sport applications and different sport leagues. We have soccer, we have basketball, we have wrestling, we have football, and many, many more. We can even use the RefCam for interview situations, like in Formula One or other applications, where people are going to be very close to the talents, very close to people that they engage with, and then can capture that perfect POV shot.